This animal can survive venom that should kill it, and then get up and hunt. What bit it today, you are that animal. You hear the hiss, low and sharp, a warning cutting through the air. Most animals would run. You don't. You keep walking slow and deliberate straight toward the snake, because you know something it doesn't. Your skin is different, loose enough to twist inside a grip, thick enough to resist tearing, built to take damage and keep going. The snake coils tighter. Now focused, waiting for the perfect distance, but you don't give it that distance. You close in step by step until it strikes fast. Precise instinct perfected over millions of years. Its fangs sink in. Venom floods your system enough to kill something your size. You feel it immediately. Your body slows. Your legs weaken, your vision dulls. And then you collapse, still silent. Lifeless, the snake pulls back, watching, waiting. Then it leaves because as far as it knows, the fight is over. But your body is not done beneath the surface. It is already working, slowing the venom, enduring the damage, buying time. Seconds stretch into minutes. Everything is quiet. And then something moves, a twitch barely visible. Then a breath, slow, heavy but real. You push yourself up unstable at first, then steady, as if nothing happened. Because for you, this is normal. This is what you are. The honeybadger. You turn back toward the snake. There is no hesitation, no fear, only intent. You charge. You bite down, hard shake with force again until the struggle stops. And then you eat it. Not out of desperation, but because you can. Because in your world, nothing is off limits. The air shifts, a low vibration builds, and suddenly it erupts. Bees, thousands of them swarming, stinging relentless. Each strike meant to drive you away. But pain is not new to you. You keep moving forward through the swarm, through the stings. Your claws tear into the hive, breaking it open. Larvae honey, everything inside taken while the swarm continues to attack. But it changes nothing later. Another threat appears. A lion, larger, stronger, built to dominate everything around it. It steps closer, expecting you to retreat. You don't. You stand your ground, your body low, your teeth exposed, and then you move forward. Not away toward it, a challenge. Something that should not happen. And sometimes that is enough, because survival here is not just about size or strength or speed. It is about endurance, about how much you can take and still keep going. Pain does not stop you. Venom does not stop you. Fear does not control you. You are not built to avoid danger. You are built to face it again and again until nothing stands in your way. Because in a world where everything hunts, the one that survives is not the fastest, not the strongest, but the one that refuses to stop.